Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Today let's start a new topic, how to create an installer in LabVIEW. Okay, and firstly the main important part is the application. Okay, you need to create application. After that we easy to create installer. Okay, if someone is new in this video, and please visit on my playlist, have a separate folder about how to create a application. Okay, how to create our own application. Okay, first you visit on that video, and after that you come on this and follow step by step. Okay, now I already covered the application in previous video. Now I'm telling about the installer, and after that install to the other laptop. Okay, now I'm telling about the what's the purpose of installer. Okay, for instance, I have a separate laptop, and but there have no any software regarding the LabVIEW or ANI, but I want to run application app in that laptop. Okay, that's why I create an installer and then copy and this folder to the my another spare laptop, and try to install this application. Okay, after that check it's run or not. Okay, now please follow step by step. Okay, I already create application. Okay, first you need a create application, after that follow the installer. Okay, now build. Okay, now right click on it, new, and click on the installer. Okay, you see my installed property. Now change the title like Pradeep, sorry, Pradeep, and app Pradeep. Okay, okay, now, and you copy your own designation, like in my laptop had e build Pradeep project Pradeep, like this. Okay, now come on the designation and click on the source file. There have just click it and import on designation view. Click on this. Okay, now you see the import on the designation view. Okay, the next is structure application dialog. Okay, and enter the welcome title. Now I'm create the Pradeep application installer. Okay, like this. Welcome. Hello, hello friends. Okay, like this. Okay, now click on the advanced. Okay, now click to OK. The installer is completely, you see Pradeep is okay build here. Now need to control as save. Okay, now project is save, and right click on here and click on the build. Okay, after build I'm copy to in pen drive. Okay, first the build state is complete, after that we do next step. Okay, it's take a few minute. I think they already have this could take several minutes. Okay, okay, now complete and click on the done. Okay, after that right click on here and click on the property, sorry, right click and click on the explore, and you see the designation is PC E build Pradeep project and Pradeep, and click on the volume. They have an install file, but I'm not installing this laptop. I'm show in the spare laptop, because in the laptop didn't have any software or a LabVIEW software. Okay, that's why I'm copy this folder like Pradeep project. Now I'm copy, Control C. Okay, copy, close it, minimize. Okay, now you see I have a drive. Okay, we need to copy and paste on another laptop. You can use pen drive also. Okay, okay, now I'm attached to my laptop. Okay, and you see backup PLC plus G. Okay, now open it, and toolkit, and I have make a new folder, like I'm create a folder, uh, sorry, new, and create folder. Okay, now I'm say applications. Okay, now click and open this folder and Control V, paste that folder. Okay, so I already copied. Okay, now you see the folder is copied on the backup plus Z, because my drive you can copy on your pen drive also. Okay, you see Pradeep volume and have the installed. Okay, now I'm paste this folder on my spare laptop. Okay, Okay, now you see it's my Sphere laptop. You see Dell. Okay, now I attach my disk on here. You can use your pen drive. Okay, because now I'm paste that folder in Sphere laptop. Okay, now I'm telling you in my laptop didn't have any software. You see LabVIEW, and you see they have no any software about the LabVIEW. Okay, okay, so that's why now I'm trying to install the application. Okay, now open your drive. Like it's not connected. Okay, now you see. Okay, open it your pen drive, and you see about application Pradeep project. Now copy this, copy, and you paste on desktop. Paste here like this. Okay, this folder is you see, start from copy. Okay, minimum like 200 MB like this. Okay, you didn't need any internet for installation, you see, because it's offline. Okay, it's my Sphere laptop, didn't have any software, you see here, and you also see on this desktop. Okay, now copy. Now I remove this. Okay, and you see, click on folder, click on the Pradeep volume, and there have installation. Okay, now right click here and click on run an administrator. Yes. Okay, you see the installation start, and you see Pradeep application installer, hello friends. Okay, now you didn't change anything, click on the next, and this untick, click on the next. Okay, application changing, you see they have Pradeep project file. Okay, now click to next. You see the installation start. It's take a few minutes, after that is easily installed, you see. Okay, the installation has finished updating your system, then click on finish. Okay, now refresh like this, and need to restart your laptop. Okay, now I restart. Okay, and now after restart, and now you click on here and you search your application name. You see the Just See application, it's my application name. Okay, now right click on here, click on H Just application, double click in here, and you see after few seconds it's appear, you see. Okay, switch application, switch.vi, and we easily run. Click on run, and now I'm click on boolean. You see boolean is up here, on off, on off. Okay, you can easily install and run your application, but you can't edit like this. Okay, because you can't edit on here, you only see and run like this. Okay, that's the important and very interesting topic, because after creating our smart application like watch, or like digital watch like this, we can easily run on another laptop, because in this laptop I didn't have any LabVIEW software, you see. Okay, but we can run our application on another laptop. Now project is complete. Thanks a lot guys. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot.